Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are looking Starlink internet services in Europe, US and Canada. In this video, we will see what is the plan and how much money we need to pay if we order the Starlink kit. So one of the important points here, nowadays Starlink are providing you free of cost the entire Starlink kit. Even first month internet subscription is absolutely free. After that you need to pay so and so amount. So in this video I will discuss with you, like in European market, how much money we need to spend as a monthly internet and how many plans we can receive for the like a European market, US market and Canada market. So you should watch entire video till end, which location based on you. Accordingly this video is might be helpful for you. So now we will see demonstration on my Mac screen. First of all, I discuss with you in European market how much money we need to pay 1 month subscription, reliable high speed internet from directly space. Here currently I am based on Copenhagen, Denmark, and this is the price of Danish currency convert as a European money as well. So this subscription price entire Europe is the same. You just simply change the currency, price is the same. So two types of plans we can receive here. One is a residential and second one is a roam. Residential plan belongs in your home and roam plans is belongs on tourist perspective, one location to another location without any restriction. You can access this one, and this plan most of time is expensive compared to the residential. So if I click here residential, get start, and I just simply type here Research Rocks. My address is here, get start. I just simply check here the plan. If I'm purchased in residential kit, so I need to pay here every month 219 Danish krona and access entire month internet connection 100 MB per second. This is the speed of this internet connection. 100 MB per second price is at 219 Danish krona. If I use 200 MB per second speed, I need to pay here 349 Danish krona. If I pay max speed, so I need to pay 500 Danish krona, around $50. So I can receive the speed 400 plus MB per second, best Wi-Fi experience, router 3. The kit is also free of cost if you use max services. So inside the residential we are receiving three different prices and packages. If I order now today, so I need to pay just only 177 Danish krona to order this kit. Kit is absolutely free. This is the shopping charges they are taking from my side. So I just simply go here, go back, and here roam. If I click here roam, so let's see how much money and how many plans we can receive here. For the roam perspective, you need to order two kits is available. One is a mini and second one is a standard. Standard kits similar kind of same as a residential kit. Mini kit is a little tiny, and here two option is available. Roam 100 GB and unlimited GB. If you use only 100 GB data, you need to pay 310 krona. If you use unlimited data, so you need to pay 655 Danish krona per annum per month. And the mini kit is not free. Of this condition you need to pay 1549 krona. So mini kit is not option. So this is the information of subscription plans, how you order and entire thing in European market. Now we can enter here in US market. If you purchase in Starlink services in US, so here two plans is available, residential and roam. So if I click here, I just simply select randomly location based on US. We receive here three different packages. I just simply select here a random US location, and here we receive here three different plans. One is 100 MB per second, $35. Second one is 200 MB per second, $65, and here is the max $105. Here the standard kit free, and plus installation is also free of cost. Everywhere hardware cost is free. You need to pay just only $20 for the taxes. Rest of things is a free of cost. Look at this here. As a United States point of view, this mini kit price is a $199. To activation benefits also no contract, 30 days trial period, delivery within 2 or 3 weeks as well, depend upon your location and address. As a subscription point of view, we receive here mini and standard kit. As a subscription, two plans we receive. 100 GB you need to pay $50. Unlimited internet you need to pay $165. Afterwards you can receive unlimited internet. The mini kit price is a $200. US and Europe is a similar kind of same price of mini kit is the same. Here we receive like a 1500 something, and here we receive the kit in $199. Mini kit and standard keys is just a simple change, but prices are same. Which one you purchase, accordingly you should decide and order these things. But compared to US European market, we receive very affordable prices internet services. Last one is a Canada here. So here we receive two services. So I just simply select here one of them. So here everywhere is available residential and roam. So I just simply select here residential. First of all, I type here one of the standard Toronto pin code, and let's see how much money we need to pay here for the subscription. Look at this here, starting from the $49 per month. First 4 month until 30. First 4 month is free. Here is different types of services, shipping within 1 week. Prices we receive here 100 MB per second. You need to pay $50, $49, $289, and max unlimited $119. Canadian dollar and US dollar prices is also changes, so accordingly you should consider. The hardware cost and kit is absolutely free as usual. Normally everywhere are they selling. So which plan you like, accordingly you should purchase. So my recommendation is a 200 MB per second is a one of the best packages. And now we can see here Roam services. Here in the Roam, get start, and the Canada, the Roam kit is also here the chargeable, but here the expensive compared to 3 location, $299, around $300 for main kit. And the internet prices 100 GB $70, unlimited $189. So this is the simple video to comparison prices of European market, US and Canada of Starlink internet services, plans as well as kits. So if you have any question related on Starlink, so you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.